Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Square Payroll login problems, business access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Square Payroll, you're in the right place. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable network. Next, visit the Square Payroll login page. Double-check that you are using the correct web address. Look closely for any typos in the URL you entered. If the web page doesn't load, try refreshing the page. If refreshing doesn't help, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Once cleared, close the browser and reopen it. Return to the Square Payroll login page. Now, enter your login credentials. Make sure your email and password are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Check your email for a password reset link from Square. Follow the instructions provided in the email. After resetting your password, try logging in again. If the problem persists, check for any service outages. Visit Square's official support page for updates. If Square is operational, ensure that your browser is up to date. Old browser versions may cause compatibility issues. Try using a different web browser if the issue continues. Alternatively, you can attempt to log in using the Square app on your mobile device. If you still can't access your account, contact Square's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue you are facing. Following these steps can help resolve your Square Payroll login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.